Kumutan akong anak ko. Say ito din. Yes! Ay, kabaho ani ah. Magdarong me. Kabaho eh. Pag-shrimps. Hindi kamutan ng legs. How big is baby? So big! Arms up. How big is baby? So big! Good job. Hi. Hi to them. Hi.
Where is the bird? Can you say I don't know? I don't know.
I don't know. Where's the bird? I don't know. Kalaming kumuton.
I don't know. Let's call him to come out. Say bird with me.
Bird with me.
Where
Where
are you?
are you, bird? Namaliw na to.
The bird was in the tree.
Ada.
He was in the tree.
Ada. May na kay na filter kay wala mo ra tagwak-wak.